guys a little bit of a speech while we wait on our pilot, okay? So, today, we're going to be moving into... How can I say
Fire
this?
teams, let Little Jack go in front of you. So
Actually, I'm not, somehow.
Little Jack, scoot up.
Come on, make a double column. Let's go.
Lieutenant Randall.
Alright, so today we're going to be moving into a very dark zone. This is something that the Republic has been waiting to do for a while, and we're going to be taking Megiddo. Now, we've been at war for a very long time, gentlemen. Do you know how long we've been at war for?
Yes, sir.
No.
A couple of months, sir.
A couple months. We've been at war for years now with the CIS, trying to take back galactic freedom. Now, today what we do is very important to the Republic, because we will be dropping in, and we are the first contact, we are the first response force, where the other units have failed. We will be taking over this place, and I expect, of course, our favorite catchphrase is not one step back. I expect to see nobody retreating, and I expect that if you're gonna die, you're at least gonna die facing forward. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The only person I want to see running back is the medic, damn it. Even that guy.
When we move in and we take this zone, I expect that everybody get moving. If somebody dies, just keep on running. If somebody's injured, leave them to the medics. There is no stopping for this operation. Galactic Marines have been issued to take over Megiddo because we are known to be fierce in battle, and we are known that we don't retreat, and we don't give in, even when the odds come against us. Does everybody understand that?
Cover up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, now get on the lat. Let's go. Come on, go, go, go.
Rush at the board.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
No, just stay wide, stay wide.
It's gonna freeze.
Alright, here we go, boys. Remember, not one step back. Can I get suppressive fire on that enemy line?
What the hell are you doing?
Repeat less.
All squads be advised, Cass is about to come in as soon as it arrives. I want everybody to push up in the moment of absence that we have.
Banger, you're back.
Ground forces requesting supply drop. Supplies are on standby.
Woohoo!
Move up, move up.
I like
Let's turn those clinkers into scrap metal.
Bangers down, everyone.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a massive shit. Be advised, we got the 10 heads on the run. We're gonna go ahead and push forward.
Alright, they're just now blowing a hole in that fence. They're coming through.
Abdic surgery. I've got them, don't worry. I can take care of both of them. It's fine, just set up a perimeter. Right, well, I'm gonna get some ATTEs then. Be advised, requesting ATTEs all in our position. Spawn them in. Spawn them in. Redact my list. go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Join the group. We're about to have a big invasion. Pick up fortifications. Fortifications, let's go, let's go. I want different fortifications, not just ones.
Everybody behind the bunker or shield, whatever we have to build right now. Everybody get in here.
And just come back. Get out of that. Come back here in the trenches.
Get ready to shoot. If you guys
I'm coming.
using night vision, please don't throw any torches or stuff that way.
Don't talk on side channel, by the way.
Guys, there's bunkers up in front of us. Why are we using those?
Just trust us.
Sandbag.
Hey, Brad.
Got an MTT head. Wait, are they broken? They're coming right here.
Now might be a good time to drop those fortifications that we don't have.
Drop fortification if you have.
Hey, can I get a medic, please? Yeah. I never know.
Or something.
You just say you saw
ATT.
Alright, open up fire on the droids. Droids, open up.
Take fire on the droids. Take fire on the droids.
Negative, we're out of it. Oh, Stab, protect my left.
running ATTs, I'll tell you.
The MTTs are moving towards the place charges over anything.
Hey, Firm, go touch them off.
Get away from the MTTs, they're placing charges.
Charges set.
Let's stay on the left side of the road, on the bridge. Stay on the left side. Andrews, wait up for us a little bit. Everybody good?
Andrew, screen.
There's a large steel zone on the sides of the embankment. Be careful.
Shield zone, you guys on the railroad right now, right here.
Get some shields on the railroad, let's go!
You guys,
Move up in front of me,
if you guys have shields, get on the railroad. Get in front of number.
I don't have one.
Everybody,
just stay with us,
shoot
stay in the
front
back.
of me. Don't be in front
Take
of
out the
them.
droids. Move, we're going up.
They built sword kills.
They killed the droid and go. Everybody, get down on the left side, get down on the left side of the railroad. Droid because we're taking heavy fire. Keep crawling up, keep slowly crawling up. If you're not injured.
You can sprint roll.
You can sprint while crawling.
This is Andrews. I need a medic.
Okay?
I need a medic.
I got you.
Okay. This is Andrews. I need another medic again.
Come back to them. I'm barely alive.
Copy. I have more medical supplies coming up.
And I'm out of ammo.
Where are you?
I'm on the ridgeline stealing weapons from our dead comrades.
Operation Urban Anvil was the first mission of the Megiddo campaign. The success of taking down the Tundra, which was aka Operation Urban Anvil, was a success. After the success of Operation Anvil, we decided to take on the second part of the mission of the campaign Megiddo. Taking on part of Mission 2 was a very bad mistake. We took on heavy casualties. Then we knew we couldn't take on Mission 2 with the resources we have. We successfully got on a LAT and left our fallen brothers behind. After we flew into safety, we got off the LAT and got debriefed. Reconnaissance say that we took out 5 MTTs out of 15. That's what all reconnaissance can get. There is known factories that produces these droids and vehicles. So now we have an additional goal, which is to take out these factories, so we don't have to be overrun before we get resupplied. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, your boy Winty here, back, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I had a lot of fun playing this first mission of the Mygeeto campaign. If you want to play this campaign with us, I highly suggest you join the 21st Nova Corps now. I will leave a link down to the description of the TeamSpeak, and you can wait for a recruiter to come on and recruit you. I will definitely be recording this whole campaign for you guys so you can enjoy it, and I will make sure I make it as best as possible entertainment for you guys. Other than that, guys, I will see you guys later.